So I'm Elin. I'm the owner of the Peat and Pint restaurant and the Gafford Lynn Hostel here in Llanberis. I think it's good when you come into contact with so many people on a daily basis. It's good to have the confidence in the knowledge that you have about the park. I grew up a couple of miles away, so just outside the boundaries of the park, but and I knew a bit about the area. Obviously been walking here and say grew up in the area, but it's good just to have that backing of the facts about things that I wouldn't personally have interest in, like the flora and fauna and the stuff like that I wouldn't have looked into myself. But obviously people come stay here have a wide variety of interest, so it's good to be able to converse with my guests. I don't know about favourite, but the one I've definitely found most useful day to day here is the module on the Wyddfa. Obviously that's the questions we get here most often, is what's the best way to walk up, how do we get there, all that sort of stuff. But it's also good with that module there was some information about the rubbish collected, so it reinforces the message that we always try to give, that is, bring your message down with you. If you have some facts about the amount of rubbish that the wardens collect daily, that we got from the module as well. Oh, definitely. I've recommended to my staff here, and I think we've got a couple that are slowly going through it now. They might go through a bit faster when the winter comes and we're not quite so busy. But no, I definitely recommend it to other people.